Every Monday, I said, this time for real. New notebook, fresh plan, clean slate. But by Thursday, I was back at zero. Until one day, I stopped starting over. My life was one big restart button. This week, I'll wake up early. This time, I'll eat clean. This time, I'll fix everything. But every promise dissolved by midweek, and every failure whispered, "You're lazy, you have no discipline, you'll never change." I wasn't lazy, I was addicted to beginnings. The thrill of day one is a drug. But real change doesn't live in the start, it lives in the boring middle. Here's the trap. Starting feels powerful, like slamming a reset button. But every restart secretly tells the brain, the last version of me failed. That creates mental debt. You lose trust in yourself, and progress resets, not your goals, but your faith. Real growth, it's compound interest. You don't restart the engine every time you stop. You refuel, adjust, and keep driving. Step 1. Break the Monday myth. Mondays are illusions. You don't need a perfect day to begin. Change starts where you are, even on a messy Thursday. Waiting for the right day is procrastination in disguise. Start mid-chaos. That's where habits grow roots. Step 2. Trust small consistency. Motivation burns fast. Consistency burns slow, but it lasts. Imagine progress as a candle. Don't relight it every Monday. Protect its flame. One small action every day compounds. Miss a day? Don't restart. Just return without drama. Because the real power isn't in never missing days. It's in refusing to let a bad day erase the good ones. Step 3. Build a rollback mindset. Every system crashes sometimes. Computers, plans, people. What do good systems do? They revert to a stable version. When I fell off, I stopped erasing my progress. Instead, I said, let's pick up from version 3.7. Resets destroy momentum. Rollbacks preserve memory. You don't need a new you on Monday. You just need to resume where you stopped. Step 4. Shift from perfection to maintenance. I used to think success was a clean streak. Now I think it's a flexible loop. Perfect is fragile. Maintenance is durable. Muscles, languages, dreams, they all decay when ignored, but never vanish. So instead of starting over, I simply maintain the bridge, fixing cracks instead of rebuilding the whole thing. Step 5. Stack proof, not promises. Each time I showed up, even weekly, I collected proof that I could. Proof is momentum's currency. The more you earn, the richer your belief becomes. Eventually, I didn't need to start over because I never stopped completely. Step 6. Let progress be ugly. Progress is not clean. It's a messy timeline, scratched, patched, uneven. But that's where humanity lives. Don't polish your progress, preserve it. Because one continuous line, even wobbly, beats 100 perfect restarts. I used to live for day 1, but now I live for day 47 and day 129 and the quiet Wednesdays where no one's watching. Real change starts when you stop worshiping beginnings and start honoring continuity. So don't start over. Pick up the pen, turn the page, and keep writing the same story, one imperfect, unstoppable paragraph at a time. If this hit you deep, don't wait for Monday. Start messy today. Hit subscribe. Join the movement of people who keep going.